Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Food All Around. Wondering what to make with broccoli? If yes, then this is a must-try recipe. So let's get started. In a large pot of boiling water, add in 1 cup broccoli florets and allow them to cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, drain the excess water and transfer them to a bowl. Then, to the same water, add in 1 cup chopped baby corn and allow them to cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, drain the excess water and transfer them to a bowl. Now, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, and saute them for a minute. Then, add in blanched broccoli and baby corn and saute them for about 2 minutes. Make sure the flame is on medium. Then add in 3/4 cup fresh cream. Saute and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add in 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon mixed herbs, salt, and give them a good mix. Then finally grate some cheese. Here I have used 1 cube processed cheese. Mix everything together until the cheese melts. And the delicious creamy broccoli and baby corn is ready. Serve it hot with some toasted bread. Do give this recipe a try and share your pictures with me on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.